Hey, can you do like crazy shit?
Like what? What, no hands?
Yeah.
I got nervous.
Can you do this? Oh shit! Oh shit! Alright. Welcome to TableTopix. I'm Amore, California.
Sexual the red? At your service.
So what are we gonna talk about?
I've got something in mind, but it's mostly me complaining.
Fuck it, it's a topic. The door on this train opens. Oh, that's so cool. This is cool. Look at the toilet.
City Hall right there, I may not be able to, it's supposed to come in.
I'm sure there's just happy somebody's here. What does that say? Cow face? That's a creepy ass chair. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. That was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, that train?
Yeah. So, anyways, this is last time Amore and I are gonna really get to hang out for a while.
Yeah, he's leaving.
So,
Remember the last episode? He said he'd be leaving. Now our time has come. He is leaving.
yeah,
trying to get a new beginning. But what's on my mind here is the fact that, aside from our corrupt ass government, we're sitting here letting the Amazon rainforest burn down.
I didn't even know it was on fire, to be honest. I don't watch the news though, so.
From what I understand, it happened not too long after a tribe won a lawsuit against one of the countries that was cutting it down. And as soon as they get their land back, more fires start to arise. It's a little suspicious, if you ask me. Could say it's a conspiracy theory.
Maybe. I mean, it's also possible that they're starting the fires.
The indigenous people?
Yeah, and sometimes it gets out of hand. Maybe. I mean, if they're capable of doing it.
Or if you're a big time business and you get stopped from being able to be productive because 1 million acres cannot be untouched.
I can see that too, you know. They're like, alright, well, they won't want the land after we burn it down.
Right. The images I've been seeing are just
but then where's their profit in that? Because they're not going to be able to.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because if all the trees are burned up, they can't use the lumber anyway.
It's just a thought, because humans are just disgusting creatures, man.
Yes, they are.
Like, what can be done? Simply stop doing what you're doing. Stop overusing things that aren't necessary. Stop supporting things that aren't necessary. Granted, I'm a big historian myself. Like, the Notre Dame Cathedral is a big deal, and when it burned down, yeah, get it rebuilt. But damn it, the Amazon rainforest keeps us alive. Then people don't understand that. Do something about it.
It is the source of most trees, and probably one of the last places that people are ever going to put their footsteps, you know?
The Amazon rainforest represents life in itself. It's what real life is. You know, it's
pure nature.
Yeah, pure nature. And we humans don't respect it enough.
I respect it.
I know you do, Amora. It's just unfortunate that not everyone does. That most people are so quick to do what's best for them, and
it's greed, man.
Yeah, greed. Because animals are dying out there in this. Right, a lot more than there are people dying.
Humans are dying as long as greed is still in charge.
Well, that's always going to be a thing, I'm sure. But, on another note, I still blame people. Like,
yep, we did it as a whole.
Yeah.
We are a virus to the planet. But we don't have to be. We
can help it just as easily.
It's all about a change of perspective. That's all it is.
Indeed.
Yeah, fuck the government.
Fuck Trump.
Fuck Trump. That's what I gotta say. Fuck corporations. But fuck it. I mean, it's inevitable. Humans are, well, destroying everything and destroying each other only to attempt to gain for itself.
Yeah.
Humans are probably going to end up destroying themselves.
The planet will go first, and then we'll all die afterwards.
Yep.
Because
And
our
then maybe
planet is destroyed.
and then maybe many thousands of years later, something else will evolve that's more intelligent than us and learn how to live in peace and harmony and for itself, as a whole unity of people rather than separate races and separate locations of living, and share and progress.
Yeah.
Because we're not capable of doing that. We are capable of doing it, we're just dumbasses.
Well said. Well said. I'll be leaving tomorrow.
And if you're one of those evolved species watching this trying to understand this language that I'm speaking, live together.
3.
So, you're gonna be going to Kentucky tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah. Which, by the time this video is uploaded, I'll already be there.
Yeah, probably.
So, my new beginning is just around the corner. I have no worries right now. It's a nice change.
Oh, to the right.
I might be able to get this one though. It's a clever one.
It's fast.
Yeah, it's a little thing. You see, it won't bite.
Where is he? Here, let him be still. I can't get him on the video. There he is. Oh, he's running.
Come on. But yeah, everything's worked out, planned out, jobs lined up. I'm ready.
You got a long way to go, right? Like 5 hours?
Yep. 300 miles away. So much to explore. Zexel the Red. It's still Zexel the Red.
More California, still a more California.
Farewell.